We are in our Piano Adventures Technique and Artistry book primer level, and we are playing the Great Cookie Chase. Now, we have the Great Cookie Chase for the right hand and the left hand cookie cutter for the left hand. So we're only playing 2 notes in each piece, and in the first one we are just playing C and G, and in the second one we are playing C and F, only using fingers 1 and 5. And it sounds like this. Move up, move up. Let's do that with our rhythm pattern. 1, 2, ready, go. Beat, beat, melon. Beat, beat, melon. Beat, 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 watermelon. And our colors for this exercise are red and teal. Now let's do our left hand cookie cutter, and we may need to move up an extra octave if you don't have a full-size keyboard. So we're going to move up here, and our colors are going to be red and green, and it's numbers 1 and 5. And this is how it sounds. 1, 2, ready, go. Here is our rhythm pattern. 1, 2, ready, go. Beat, beat, melon. Beat, beat, melon. Beat, 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 watermelon. Very easy finger exercise. I know you can do it.